Mastering possessive adjectives. Spot the mistake. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of possessive adjectives. Our focus will be on understanding, recognizing, and correcting errors in their usage. Let's sharpen our grammar detective skills together. Before we start spotting and correcting errors, let's have a quick recap. Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership or relationships. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Remember, unlike regular adjectives, they do not change form according to the noun they're modifying. For example, correct usage, this is my book. Incorrect usage, this is mine book. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's look at the common mistakes people often make when using possessive adjectives. Confusing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns such as my, mine, your, yours, our, ours is a typical error. Another frequent mistake is mismatching the subject and possessive adjective. Time for some action. I'll share a sentence with an error in the use of possessive adjectives. Your task is to spot and correct the mistake. Ready? Let's go. 1. Sentence. Her shoes are red. Error. Hers is a wrong possessive adjective. Correction. Her shoes are red. 2. Sentence. Its is a beautiful day. Error. Its is incorrectly used. Correction. It's a beautiful day. 3. Sentence. This is your book. Error. Your is incorrectly used. Correction. This is your book. 4. Sentence. Mine dog is barking. Error. Mine is incorrectly used. Correction. My dog is barking. Try to practice with more sentences. The more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting these common mistakes. And that wraps up our lesson on error correction with possessive adjectives. I hope you found this exercise helpful in strengthening your understanding. Remember, it's completely normal to make mistakes while learning, but with practice, you'll surely master the use of possessive adjectives. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Remember, English is not about perfection, it's about effective communication. Happy learning!